Hey everybody, it's your boy Jimbo here. Just wanted to stop by and do a quick video, kind of sort of a bit of an update video on this 26cc string trimmer slash brush cutter that I got from Temu for under $100. I took it out to use it yesterday, and for the first 20-25 minutes of use, and it was getting some hard use as well, just doing some more work in the backyard and whatnot, some touch-ups and the like. And halfway through, it began to have starting problems. Okay, sorry guys, I was just cutting the camera till that damn helicopter got away from overhead. He just happened to start flying overhead as I was recording. But the thing decided it didn't want to run yesterday, and unfortunately, I had to use my backup weed eater, a 26cc Vevor weed eater, which is pretty much the same engine, just looks different, and finished up the job out there. And I have a separate video on the Vevor weed eater coming soon, because I don't see very many videos on it. Back to this one. Thankfully, it wasn't the carburetor, it was the spark plug. It had some crappy little Litcho champion looking spark plug that was in it from the factory, and literally as soon as I took that crappy thing out and put an NGK plug from a maintenance kit that I had, the thing cranked up and now runs perfectly fine again. And as you guys can see and hear, this bad boy runs quite nicely, and honestly feels like it runs a little bit stronger than it did with that crappy plug in it that it had from the factory. Which kind of sort of ruined the 1 month weigh-in video that I was going to do yesterday, because I didn't expect that to happen mid-job, but it did, and we fixed the problem. And now I'm going to move that video to a couple weeks from now, so I could potentially make some room for the Vevor weed eater video. So stay tuned for both of those videos, guys, especially in the community tabs where I keep everybody posted on this. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.